Hey guys, welcome back to Fusion Cuisine. Here I bring a quick and easy meal with the goodness of eggs to satisfy those hunger pangs. Let's see how to make this delicious fried rice with stir-fried eggs. In a pan, add oil. When hot, add garlic, ginger, and some green chilies. Add some onions and stir fry over high heat for about 5 minutes or till the onion gets translucent. Healthy, add vegetables of your choice. I'm adding here some finely chopped capsicum, and I've taken here some boiled vegetables like carrots and peas. Add little salt to season the vegetables here. This is really optional at this stage. It's time to add the cooked rice. For best results, always go for the pre-cooked rice, or you can also use the one which is at room temperature. If you ever noticed, most of the Chinese recipes are cooked on high heat as we stir fry and combine all the goodness together. So you need to be very fast. Well, to season here, I added some salt, next vinegar and soy sauce and some red chili sauce. Give this a toss and continue to stir fry over high heat. Check this out, our fried rice is ready. But wait a second, this one is for all my vegetarian friends. You can stop right here if you want, or you can top it up with some eggs which gets ready in no time. So I'm going to just break some eggs here and season with salt and pepper and whisk it. Then lightly fry it. It's so simple. Add these eggs and mix it gently. By now you know this egg fried rice is wholesome and nutritious on its own and does not really require any additional side dish. But you can serve it along with a simple vegetable salad or any gravy if desired. Serve this hot and do try this recipe for sure and let me know how this turns out for you in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Keep watching Fusion Cuisine and I'll be back with my next video very soon. Until then, bye-bye.